Classic Rewind.
This fucking put the ball, instead of a regular beer opener or a shotgun, it hooks here and makes a little triangle hole.
Alright. When are we gonna go? On 3? Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Damn.
Barry, go! Go, Barry, go!
Barry, you suck. You absolutely suck. And you're fucking awesome. Hey.
It's all about the hole.
There you go. Hey, buddy. Hey. He had the whole shot on you, man.
I told you he was fast.
He's really fast. Wow.
Sandbagging motherfucker.
Hey, where'd you learn that, by the way?
What?
I said, where did you learn that?
Hanging out in college, not going.
There you go.
Yeah.
You want to do it again?